I'm very stressed out. Gosh, I lost my milk tea. What the fuck? Yana!
I'll pick you up, we'll go.
Third subject na kumusulog. Ikaw po, Chris. Dali. Budol. Hi guys, so it's currently 9:49 a.m. and I'm currently waiting for my friends here in Shaw because we will be studying for our subjects later. We have 4 subjects in one day. 3 subjects will be written work, then our first subject will be performance task, which is PE. I think I'd say easy since it's just dance steps. Sa'yo na siya guys, pero let's see kung ito kamus ano yung kahamugera. Yeah, and I'm just waiting for my friends. Ang call time namin 9 a.m. but like it's almost 10 a.m. and take note, our class will start around 12:10, so guys, look what I sent to my classmate. My goodness.
Summer rain on the window. Watch the time float on.
Based on my understanding.
Hi guys, I'm currently having my lunch. Hi guys, 2% na lang po.
Masang payo ang karga.
Ano eh?
Nandun sa unang.
2% na lang to guys.
Bakit yun ako? Wow! Wow!
Ano na ba ko'y plastic? Dara oh.
4, 5, 6, 3, 4, 7, 8, right! 1, 2,
Right. Pag-right ako. Tama, Rachel. Okay mo, Sister Red. Okay, Sister Red, tama! Rachel Imida, Liam, contemporary artist. Okay, po rin isa, no?
arm second position right. Fifth position left. Fifth position left. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Salva, last chance. Sa third position ng paa.
Hala boy, nag-glitch. Wala ka. Unsa ka na rin? Unsa man na, day? Wala ko si Rachel, uyog-uyog ang lubot.
Third position left.
Tama man.
Position right. Fourth position right.
Tama man.
position right. Arms, fifth position right. Fifth. Feet, fourth position left.
Yay! Uy, tarong na!
One.
Oh, kay sir, oh.
Sir, papansin!
Sir, na kay OA. Di ko bagay mo
Left, first position. Guys, na problema sila kung printed ba or written.
I-write na lang.
Ako kay printed ang template.
Guys, ano ba talagang sagot? Printed ang hindi. Live?
Live sa TikTok.
Wala lagi may kill. Wala lagi may...
Hi guys, so it's almost 7 p.m. na and I also bought, oh my gosh, I left my milk tea. What the fuck? Sabili na ko kung milk tea kay I bought gummy, like parang random siya. Mag-iibutan ako sa counter sa may cashier. Nabili na kuya. Guys, chaotic today na vlog. And it's around 7 p.m. and I hope napakoy masakyan, Lord. Napoy.
Meron po nag-report na pinasa sa leasing ng mga
So tired.
So,
May email yung na-intercept naman.
Summer rain on the window. Watch the time float on.
Here. Dapat wala tong space. Then here, M yung nalagay ko. Hi guys, I'm here at the balcony. I'll be reading this. Just, you know, muni. I don't have any makeup on guys. Wala na ako don't bother to put on makeup kasi I'm very stressed out. Don't have enough sleep. Yeah, actually, I didn't bring lunch. So, tayo ko ano ron. Guys, I'm done with Philippine politics and governance. I find it easy to study if I'm interested in the subject, but the physical science I studied like 2 hours and 30 minutes last night. But wala rin sunod-sunod to guys.
Dollar labas sa kanay. Example, mag-dissolve ang salt sa water.
Ayon na ako ka na, ayon na Paul. Remember NaCl and AH2O. Yan, ayon na yun siya kasi mag-dissolve ang NaCl sa tubig.
Nakakilay na ko guys. Microbank.
Hindi, pamilod eh. Gusto na lang pamilod.
Hi guys, it's time to go home. So if you heard that, Kiana, is that my friend? Wait, guys, I went. Nato kong school, wala ko yung makeup, but like now, look at my face. Hi guys, so it's time to go home. My class is done. It's around 5:30 p.m. but like I watched some auditions from different clubs and I'm walking. I'm gonna eat some like yung chicken skin na tag 5 pesos. Kasi first time ko yesterday. Let's try it again. Kaya like guys, 50 pesos na busog na ko. Wait, ko lang. Hi guys, so it's the day 3 of my vlog and I'm on my way to school. Guys, ayoko i-bash pero third subject na kong sulod. Guys, I forgot to turn on my alarm like bugo kayo. Okay. Mahirapan talaga mag-adjust sa time kay di ba always happen namang class tapos mukalit tag morning. Very difficult for me kaya I wake up like around 9 a.m. now or 7, then I don't have time to prepare. Late sleep. Si Mike na dito, sir!
Sa campus, pero mag-visit tayo papunta doon.
What's your name?
Learners, always remember, pag alam nyo ng Ateneo, ang magpupunta sa community na intimidate sila. That's why, maintain law and
Si Mike dito, sir!
yung bahay na pinuntahan ninyo, maaari pa magtanaan.
Agaran.
What will you do?
Si Risha did us, sir. Alam, naging dagpong.
Si Mike tala, sir! Mike number 1!
Yun talaga, sir. Gorgeous ako pinaingon. Gorgeous dari ako eh. Sir, di mo kayo mo na, sir.
Pero sa dati, mas tarik na pag-date.
Kuyabas.
Be sensitive enough to feel the needs of the people. To be calm and peaceful.
That was very demure. Very mindful.
Okay? Next, avoid sensitive political issues. Pag-attention ng mga about politics. Next,
Religious relations.
next, make promise sa isa kasama na lang po ay mga sabihin
Mike did not like.
Gorgeous! Gorgeous! Ang bottom line.
Balik! Anaan mo si...
Sino siya?
Ikaw, gusto mo pangalan?
Love! Love!
Pinahol ka kayo ito ng sato. Joke lang. Respect the community members at all times. Okay?
Video na sa tension ako kanina.
Ay, nag-posting siya. Dali lang yan.
Stop. Ate Joy. Ano rin ka? Stop, guro sa nato ni.
Joke lang. Joke lang. Mountain.
Ella ba? Ate Joy.
Puta yun lang.
Ala, siya dyan din pabayaron na to sa motobo aning 46 room. Dadagan yun. Ala, napayagian.
Sino?
Ay, ID.
Nakatris na ay tres ni tubo. Ikaw bayad ani.
Taka mo ka. Waiting for my order. We went to Jollibee kaya sa food court may mga I don't really like the food there, so yeah. And it's also expensive and I prefer Jollibee.
Wait, nga nito ako.
Saan man wala maguro ni Gana.
Smudge yung mayo. Here you go. Nai mong bugaw sa kuko.
Ito natin?
Nasunod siyang kuko. Hi guys, nami diri sa Ganda. Sabihin, like station. Kabahay ko siya. Okay lang ito ba ni?
Itay na guro ang masunod na lang kasi.
Butan mo dali kayo. Ako na butan mo. Ano na recommend niyo na shade sa kanya?
Butterscotch lang yan.
Butterscotch. Yeah.
Or butter.
Dahil sige, gibudol siya.
Ala, sorry.
Butterscotch.
Puti ko siya kaayo.
Kilo ko. Pero, nabudol siya guys. Ikaw po, Chris. Dali. Dali. Budol. Nakabay one take one siya guys.
Saya ang buhay ko na. Basta na may mga cleanser dito nga by one take one.